Mga ma'am, okay, ito po. O, i-atake mo pag nasa dagat ka, ma'am, siyang ganda nito. Pang gimmick mo sa dagat. Okay, pang small to medium po ako. This is 903, okay, 903. Okay, as well as this one, mga ma'am siya, okay. Ito pa ha, pang 8 to 10 na mga bagats nyo. Pwede din sa small to medium to. Pang leg to ha, 8 to 10 o kaya mga small to medium size na mga mom shoes. Okay, the code is, wait lang. Okay, the code is 136 po ako ito. Okay, 136. Ma'am Cathy, or sa Ma'am Kat, thank you so much po. Oh, sama ko na din to, ma'am. Dali, ang nice niyan, mga ma'am, show. Okay, pang medium to large po ako dito, ha, pa-pop sleeves ko, bagong-bago pa to, ma'am. This is 967, okay, 967, bagong-bago. Ganda ng tela. Okay, this is branded by Georgia. This is just, wag na nga yan, mamaya na yung cups. Okay, for this one, oh my God, ang ganda nito, oh. Ano to ha? Ano tawag dito? Pang party na naman to, ma'am siya. Tapos ano siya? Silk. Okay, pang small to medium po ako. This is 418, okay, 418. As well as this one, bago rin to, mga ma'am show. This is for small, medium to large po ako ito. T-shirt dress to ha. This is 008, okay, 008. Okay, for this beautiful top, mga ma'am, okay, top lang to ha. Nagusot lang yan, mga ma'am. Okay, medium large to XL. 403, 70 pesos and si 403. Okay, for this beautiful maxi dress, mga ma'am, okay, this is for medium large to XL. This is 050, okay, 050. And then also for this one, mga ma'am, okay, this is for small to medium lang po ako. Pwedeng pang office, pwedeng pang date, bago. 151 po, okay, 151. Ma'am Manuels, yours na Ma'am Manuels. Thank you so much po. Okay, Barbie doll dress nyo na naman ha. Pang small to medium po ako, this is the back detail. Okay, small to medium, this is 703. Okay, 703, bago. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, what's this? Di ko pa na-flex yung iba yung mga ma'am, sinamon, hindi ko nga alam mo. O, diba? O, ganito siya, ma'am, siya. Pang large to XL po ako ito. Okay, large to XL, this is 450. Okay, 450. Okay, ito pa mga ma'am show. Saints and Secrets, mga ma'am show. Naku, ang hirap naman ito. Wrap around time. Huwag na nga muna ito. Ang hirap i-flex. Tatagal tayo dyan. Ayoko magtagal. What's this? O, mga ma'am siya. Ang mga plus sizes na chubebang ma'am siya, okay? This is for XL up to double XL po ako ito, okay? XL up to double XL na Barbie doll dress pang na pang plus sizes. 509, okay? 509. Everything at 150 pesos lang, mga ma'am. Ay, 100 pesos pala. Okay, for this one, pwedeng pang mga ano nyo to, 8 to 12 na mga bagets pang first communion nila. This is 150, okay? 150. Okay, as well as this one, mga ma'am, okay? This is a jumper nilalagyan ng inner to, ha? This is for large to XL again, okay? Large to XL, this is 491, okay? 491. Sige, bet, tanggalin mo na. Okay, for this one, silk to, mga ma'am, okay? Medium large to XL po ako ito, okay? Best fit sa mga large to XL. 353, okay? 353. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, Barbie doll dress to, ha? Okay? Pang small, medium po ako ito, okay? Small to medium sizes, this is a 386, okay? 386, mga ma'am, 100 pesos all items.
50 po nga po si Ma'am Fairy.
Ma'am Fairy, yours na Ma'am Fairy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Fairy. Good evening po. Okay, ito po, body con to, mga ma'am, okay? Pang extra small to medium po ako, ha? This is 522, okay? 522. And then also for this beautiful Barbie doll dress, okay? This is for medium, small, medium to large po ako, okay? This is 423, okay? 423. Everything at 100 pesos lang, mga moms. Sinusunod ko na ha, kaya mabilis ako mag-flex, mga moms, para lahat ma-flex ko. Okay, medium, large to XL po ako, ha? Sobrang bago pa nito, mga moms. Mukhang lumas sa camera ko, no? Sobrang bago pa ito. This is 942, okay? 942, tsaka ang social nito. H3 na yung kanyang brand, ha? Okay? This is 942, okay? 942.
86 po nga po si Ma'am Irene.
Thank you, Ma'am Irene. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, okay, branded by Acceleration, mga ma'am, show. Grabe, oh. This is for XL up to double XL ako ito. Okay, this is 536, okay, 536. Okay, for this beautiful halter dress, look at that. Diba, ang ganda. Pang small to medium lang po ako, This one is 211, okay, 211. Nakaka-happy yung color, okay, 211. And then also for this one, mga ma'am, okay, this is for what's this? Okay, pang small to medium po ako dito, ha. This is 099, okay, 099. Dito tayo kumuha. Oh, ito pa mga ma'am show. Small to medium po ako dito, ha. Okay, this is 524, okay, 524. Oh my God. O, pang party dress niyo, ma'am, show. Halter dress. Parang hindi ka nabibili. 100 pesos may pang party ka. Chiffon yung fabric. Ito, pang party talaga siya. Pang evening party dress. Okay, basta special occasion, mga ganyan. Extra small to small po ako, ah. This is 520, okay? 520. And then also for this one, mga momshies, okay? This is for medium, large to XL. This is 523, okay? 523. Ayan pa, mga mamsho. Hillary Radley yung kanyang brand, mga mamsha. Tignan nyo naman niya. Asan kayo, mga mams? Okay, pang large to XL po ako. This is 514, okay? 514. Ayan, dito. Okay. O, ayan pa, mga mamsho. Okay, pang small to medium po ako dito, ah. Okay, the core is best fit sa mga small sizes. This is 505, okay? 505. Pang evening party dress yan, mga moms.
May 42.
Pang ilan?
Pang 8. Ay, pang Shantita. Ay, ma'am, Harriet has.
Okay, Ma'am Harriet. Yours, Ma'am Harriet. Thank you so much po. Okay, for this one, mga moms. Okay, this is for small to medium lang, ha? Small to medium size. Okay, the core is 051. Grabe, maxi dress. Okay, tama ba? 051.
May worker pa nga ito kayong Susanat.
Ma'am Susan, yours, Ma'am Susan. Thank you so much po. Okay, for this beautiful maxi dress, mga ma'am show. Medium, large to XL po ako. This is 012. Okay, 012. As well as this one, mga ma'am show. Very, very classic and very, very classy dress. Okay? Pang small, no, pang medium, large. Ang ganda nito, moms. Medium, large to XL po ako. This is 016. Okay, 016. Okay, for this beautiful Barbie doll dress, ha? Alam niyo, pwede niyo pang office to, moms. Sobrang bago pa ni Swiss Dots, ha? Pang small to medium po ako ito. Okay, small to medium size. This is 497. Okay, 497. Okay, for this one again, mga moms. Okay, this is for small, medium to large po ako. This is 482. Okay, 482.
016 pa nga ito kayong Susanat.
Ma'am Susan, yours na Ma'am Susan. Thank you so much po. Okay, ito pa mga ma'am show. Pang everyday niyo pang attention doon sa mga anak-anak niyo. Pang small to medium po ako, ha. This is 003, okay? 003. O mga ma'am show.
47 pa nga ito kay Ma'am Mitch kayo.
Ma'am Mitch, thank you so much po.
012 pa nga ito kay Ma'am Janice Aguilar.
Ma'am Janice, good evening po. Thank you so much, Ma'am Janice. Ito pa mga ma'am show, ang ganda niyo, no? Self-tie to, ha. Uy, ilaban niyo to, ma'am. This is gorgeous. Mga ma'am show. Pang small to medium lang ako, ha, self-tie to. Small to medium, this is 037, okay, 037, very, very social, okay, 037. Ito din, mga ma'am siya. BC, yung brand niyan, nakakaloka. Pwede niyo pang office to. Okay, small hanggang large, this is 394, okay, 394. Oh, ayan pa, oh, Barbie doll dress niya, ma'am siya, na, ang tawag dito na, animal print. Medium, large to XL po ako dito. Okay, the code is 223. Okay, this one's 223.